Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix status invalid image hash error in Microsoft Edge browser. Type Regedit in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as Administrator. Click and expand HKey local machine. Click and expand software. Click and expand policies. Click and expand Microsoft. Right-click Microsoft, create new key named as Edge. Right-click New, dword 32-bit value. Renderer code. Integrity enabled. R, C, I and E are capital letters. Change value data to 0. Click OK and exit Registry Editor. Restart computer. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.